Hello there. This is a Mazda 2 Mk1 and if it gets a puncture you have to lift it up into the air to fit the spare tyre. However, lifting it like this guy is hard work, so in this video I'll show you how to find the jacking points instead, and guess what? There are 6 of them. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, let's start with the jacking point for the front right corner, and it's behind the wheel on the sill just up there. Here's a close-up, and as we can see, the jacking point is marked by this indentation. The Mazda 2's jack lives in the boot, specifically under the spare wheel. There it is. And the head of the jack, once it's wound into position, sits on the jacking point, something like that. The Mazda 2 also has a jacking point for the rear right corner. This time it's forward of the wheel on the sill just up there. Here's the close-up. And as we'd expect, those jacking points are replicated on the left side of the car. Now, the 4 jacking points I've shown you on the sills each support one corner of the car. However, the Mazda 2 also has a rear central jacking point where you can lift the entire back end. In other words, both back wheels off the ground simultaneously. However, if you want to use the rear central jacking point, don't reach for the jack that came with the car. It's not designed for that kind of work. Instead, get something like this trolley jack, which is stronger and more stable. As for finding the Mazda's rear central jacking point, that's easy enough. Just peer down there, forward of the bumper. Specifically, it's about there, in the middle of that strong beam. The Mazda 2 also has a front central jacking point which can simultaneously lift both wheels, but to show you that I've got to lie on the ground again, which today is wet and cold and horrible. Oh well. So let's have a look underneath the car and we can find the front central jacking point in the middle of that strong beam about there. And if you're curious, all this information comes from the Mazda 2 owner's manual. That's it for now, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and as always, you're welcome to visit carspytv.com if you'd like a look around there. But most important of all, whatever you do, don't be like this guy. Use your jacking points. Bye.